Alcoven 1200. The Alcoven 1200 is a comfortable and modern motorhome designed for people who love traveling and exploring freely. Its sleek and practical design makes driving easy while giving you plenty of space inside. The motorhome feels like a cozy home on wheels, with a comfy bed, a fully equipped kitchen, a practical bathroom, and a relaxing lounge area where you can spend time with family or friends. Big windows let in lots of natural light and give you amazing views wherever you park. Every part of the Alcoven 1200 is designed to make life on the road simple and convenient, with clever storage spaces and energy-saving systems that let you enjoy trips even in remote locations. Its strong construction and smooth suspension make every ride safe and steady, whether you're on highways or rough roads. This motorhome is perfect for families, couples, or solo travelers who want comfort, style, and freedom all in one vehicle. Whether it's a weekend getaway, a long road trip, or a peaceful escape into nature, the Alcoven 1200 gives you a cozy, mobile home experience. It's more than just a motorhome. It's a relaxing, enjoyable, and unforgettable way to travel. Brooder EXP7. The Brooder EXP7 is a tough and stylish expedition camper built for people who love adventure and exploring off the beaten path. Its strong exterior can handle rough roads, mountains, and forests, keeping you safe wherever you go. Inside, it feels like a cozy home on wheels, with a comfortable bed, a small kitchen, a functional bathroom, and a lounge area to relax after a long day. Every corner is designed smartly to use space efficiently, while large windows fill the camper with natural light and offer amazing views. The EXP7 also comes with energy-saving features and off-grid options, so you can stay in remote places without worrying about power. There's plenty of smart storage for all your gear, and modern systems make life on the road easy and convenient. Whether you're traveling with family, friends, or solo, the Brooder EXP7 gives you the freedom to go anywhere while staying comfortable and connected to nature. CMC Aluna Motorhome. The CMC Aluna Motorhome is a stylish and modern home on wheels made for people who love to travel with comfort and freedom. Its sleek design and smooth shape make it look futuristic, while the inside feels like a cozy, smart home. It has everything you need for a perfect trip: a comfy bed, a fully equipped kitchen, a relaxing lounge area, and big windows that let you enjoy amazing views wherever you go. The motorhome also includes smart controls, energy-saving systems, and solar panels, so you can live off-grid without worry. With its strong build and advanced suspension, every ride feels stable and smooth, whether you're driving through cities or exploring mountains. Safety features and tech connectivity make the Aluna not just convenient, but also reliable for long adventures. It's ideal for families, solo travelers, or anyone who loves exploring new places in comfort. The CMC Aluna isn't just a motorhome. It's a modern way to experience travel, blending technology, luxury, and freedom into one incredible vehicle. Cortez 17 Camper. The Cortez 17 Camper is a modern and lightweight travel trailer made for people who love adventure and comfort. Its body is built from strong fiberglass, making it tougher, more durable, and weather-resistant than regular campers. Despite its compact size, it's packed with everything you need for a great trip: a cozy bed, a small kitchen, a dining space, and even a bathroom. The interior feels bright and comfortable, with smart storage spaces and a clean, modern design that makes life on the road easier and more enjoyable. Because of its lightweight and smooth shape, it's easy to tow and helps save fuel, no matter what vehicle you use. Whether you're exploring the mountains, camping by a lake, or driving through long highways, the Cortez 17 gives you a sense of home wherever you go. It's designed for travelers who want freedom, style, and convenience all in one. The Earth Roamer SX is the ultimate luxury off-road motorhome made for people who love adventure and comfort together. Built on a powerful Ford F-750 chassis, this giant can handle any terrain, from rocky mountains to sandy deserts, without breaking a sweat. Its strong diesel engine, heavy-duty suspension, and massive tires make it ready for any journey. Step inside, and you'll feel like you're in a five-star apartment on wheels. The interior is beautifully designed with premium materials, a cozy lounge, a full kitchen with modern appliances, and a comfortable bedroom with soft bedding. There's even a stylish bathroom with a hot shower, giving you the comfort of home wherever you go. The Earthroamer SX also features solar panels, big water tanks, and advanced power systems for off-grid adventures, so you can travel freely without depending on campsites. It's a perfect mix of toughness and luxury, ideal for explorers who want to experience nature in style. Isuzu FTS 800. The Isuzu FTS 800 is a strong and reliable truck built for tough jobs and long journeys. It's designed to carry heavy loads easily and handle rough roads without any trouble. The powerful engine and smooth transmission make driving easier and more efficient, while the sturdy frame keeps everything safe and stable. Inside the cabin, drivers get a comfortable and practical space with supportive seats, easy-to-use controls, and basic features to make long hours on the road easier. Safety is a big focus, with strong brakes, stability systems, and good visibility to keep both drivers and cargo protected. The FTS 800 is very versatile, making it great for city deliveries, highway transport, or even rough terrain work. Mars 15 Premium. The Mars 15 Premium is a stylish and modern camper made for people who love to travel in comfort and style. Its sleek design and lightweight build make it easy to tow, while its strong exterior can handle all kinds of weather and rough roads. Inside, it feels like a cozy little home packed with everything you need: a comfortable bed, a smart kitchen, a clean bathroom, and a relaxing sitting area. The large windows fill the space with natural light, making it bright and welcoming wherever you park. Every part of the Mars 15 Premium is designed to save space and make your journey easier, from hidden storage areas to energy-efficient features. It's perfect for weekend trips, long adventures, or peaceful camping getaways. Whether you're near the beach, deep in the woods, or on a long open road, the Mars 15 Premium gives you freedom and comfort wherever you go. It's not just a camper, it's a modern home on wheels that makes every journey exciting, relaxing, and unforgettable. Mercedes Sprinter Delano. The Mercedes Sprinter Delano is a modern and comfortable van made for people who love traveling freely and in style. Its sleek design makes it easy to drive, whether you're navigating city streets or cruising down highways. Inside, it feels like a cozy little home on wheels. It has a comfortable sleeping area, a compact kitchen for cooking on the go, a practical bathroom, and a lounge space where you can relax or spend time with family and friends. Large windows let in plenty of natural light and offer beautiful views wherever you stop. The van is designed smartly to make life on the road easy, with clever storage spaces and energy-efficient systems that make off-grid trips simple and convenient. Its strong build and smooth suspension ensure a safe and comfortable ride on all kinds of roads. The Mercedes Sprinter Delano is perfect for weekend getaways, long road trips, or exploring nature in comfort. It's more than just a van. Mi24 Manta Ray. The Mi24 Manta Ray is a modern and stylish motorhome made for people who love traveling in comfort and freedom. Its sleek design makes it easy to drive, while the inside feels like a cozy home on wheels. It has a comfortable sleeping area, a fully equipped kitchen, a practical bathroom, and a lounge space to relax after a day of exploring. Big windows let in lots of natural light and give you beautiful views wherever you park. Every corner of the Manta Ray is designed smartly, with clever storage spaces and energy-saving features that make traveling easier, even in remote places. Its strong construction and smooth suspension ensure a safe and steady ride on highways, rough roads, or winding mountain routes. The Mi24 Manta Ray is perfect for families, couples, or solo travelers who want a comfortable and convenient home on the road. Whether it's a weekend trip, a long road adventure, or a peaceful escape into nature, this motorhome makes every journey relaxing and fun. PX Go Grande S1. The Pod X Go Grand S1 is a modern and stylish electric camper made for people who love adventure and freedom. Its compact but smart design makes it easy to drive in cities, on highways, or even to remote places. Inside, it feels like a cozy little home on wheels. You'll find a comfortable bed, a small but functional kitchen, and a lounge area where you can relax after a day of exploring. Big windows let in lots of natural light and give you great views wherever you stop. The camper also has clever storage spaces and energy-saving systems, making it perfect for off-grid trips and longer adventures. Its quiet electric engine makes driving smooth and eco-friendly, while the sturdy build ensures every ride is safe and comfortable. The Podex Go Grande S1 is ideal for solo travelers, couples, or small families who want comfort, style, and convenience on the road. Whether you're exploring nature, going on a weekend getaway, or discovering new cities, this camper makes every journey fun and relaxing. It's more than just a vehicle. It's a cozy mobile home that gives you freedom, comfort, and unforgettable travel experiences wherever the road takes you. Severn Lamb Double Deck Trolley. The Severn Lamb Double Deck Trolley is a beautiful mix of classic style and modern design, made for people who love fun and scenic rides. It's perfect for city tours, theme parks, and resorts, offering passengers a smooth and enjoyable travel experience. The open-top upper deck gives a perfect view of the surroundings, while the lower deck provides a comfortable and covered space to relax. Built with strong materials and smart engineering, this trolley is made to last and perform well on all types of routes. Its vintage look brings back the charm of old-fashioned streetcars, but with the comfort, safety, and efficiency of modern technology. The Severn Lamb double-deck trolley can be powered by diesel, electric, or hybrid systems, making it eco-friendly and cost-effective to run. Whether it's used for sightseeing, guided tours, or family rides, it always delivers a smooth, joyful, and memorable journey. The STX Volvo FH540 is a powerful and luxurious motorhome designed for travelers who love comfort and adventure. Built on the strong Volvo FH540 truck base, it's made to handle long trips with ease and stability. Its high-performance engine delivers smooth power, making it perfect for both highways and rougher roads. Step inside, and you'll find a world of comfort and style. The interior looks like a cozy modern apartment, featuring a soft lounge area, a well-equipped kitchen, a comfortable bedroom, and a stylish bathroom with everything you need for life on the move. Every detail is designed for convenience and relaxation, from premium materials to smart lighting and climate control. You can enjoy your favorite meals, watch TV, or simply unwind after a long day of travel. The STX Volvo FH540 is built for those who want to explore the world without giving up comfort. Timbercraft Big Sky. The Timbercraft Big Sky is a stunning, tiny home that combines natural beauty with modern comfort. It's designed for people who want a cozy, mobile home without giving up style or space. The home features tall ceilings, wide windows, and warm wooden interiors that make it feel open and inviting. Inside, there's a comfortable living room, a full kitchen with everything you need to cook, a modern bathroom, and a peaceful loft bedroom where you can relax after a long day. Every corner is designed smartly to make the most of the space, giving you both comfort and convenience. Built on a strong trailer base, the Big Sky can easily be moved wherever you want to go, whether it's a quiet forest, a mountain spot, or near the beach. It also includes energy-efficient lighting and eco-friendly features, making it great for off-grid living. The Timbercraft Big Sky isn't just a tiny house. It's a warm, stylish home that lets you live freely while staying close to nature. Perfect for dreamers, travelers, and anyone who loves the idea of simple, beautiful living on the go. Trigano Sequoia. The Trigano Sequoia is a modern and comfortable motorhome made for travelers who love adventure and freedom. Its sleek design makes it easy to drive while still giving you plenty of space inside. The interior feels like a cozy home with a comfy sleeping area, a fully equipped kitchen, a practical bathroom, and a relaxing lounge to unwind after a day of exploring. Big windows let in lots of light and give you amazing views wherever you stop. Every part of the Sequoia is designed to make traveling easy and enjoyable, with clever storage spaces and energy efficient systems that let you camp off grid comfortably. Its strong build and smooth suspension make every ride safe and steady, whether you're on highways or rough roads. The Trigano Sequoia is perfect for families, couples, or solo travelers who want a mobile home that combines comfort, style, and convenience. The Vario Signature 1200 is one of the most luxurious motorhomes ever made, built for people who want comfort and style wherever they go. Based on a powerful Mercedes-Benz chassis, it drives smoothly and looks stunning on the road. Inside, it feels like a moving luxury apartment, complete with elegant furniture, soft lighting, and high-quality finishes. The living space includes a modern kitchen, cozy sofa area, and a large TV setup for entertainment. The bedroom offers a peaceful retreat with a comfortable bed and lots of storage, while the bathroom gives off a spa-like vibe with top-notch fittings. One of its coolest features is the built-in garage that can carry a small car, so you can park the motorhome and still explore nearby places easily. Every inch of the Vario Signature 1200 is designed with attention to detail and luxury in mind. It's not just about traveling, it's about enjoying life on the move with comfort, freedom, and elegance. Whether you're driving through cities or scenic routes, this motorhome makes every trip feel first class.